Holidays, best time of the whole year, but how can you make sure you're getting the most value for money? Brits are now spending upwards of £2,000 a year on holidays abroad. It is more important than ever to try and keep those costs down and get the most for your money. So grab a cuppa and I'll share with you my top tips for getting the best deals. Right, my first tip has got to be book in early. The stress and anxiety of waiting till last minute to book a holiday is not for me. It's also about organising yourself so that things cost less around the holiday too. So transport to the airport, I could ask a family member or a friend. It's all of those little things that add up when you do it last minute and end up being extortionate. Another really good thing about booking in advance with Jet2holidays is that they allow you to spread the cost across monthly payments. So you just pay a £60 deposit per person and then you can pay it off until up to 10 weeks before the holiday. You'll have the best pick of the rooms, the hotels, and if you book early enough in advance, the more chance you've got of getting one of their free child places, which makes such a big difference. Another way to make your money go further is to make sure you're choosing the right board option for you and your family. If you love all-inclusive and you're never going to go anywhere else, great. But you might want to go self-catering so that you can make a packed lunch, go out on an excursion. So really think about which board you're going to go for, because there's nothing worse than spending on a package that you don't actually use. So these are my quick tips for saving money on holidays. It might not seem like a lot, but they all add up. Firstly, when you book in advance, you've also got the opportunity to buy things out of season, like all your summer dresses, bikinis, get it in like the January sales if you're going away in the summer, and then it's going to be so much cheaper. Another way to save that I find really handy is goggles, snorkels, inflatables. Don't throw them away. Put them in a bag. Every time you go on holiday, you can take them with you knowing you won't have to hire equipment or buy it again. So all in all, for me personally, the best ways to save money if you're planning a holiday is to just be really organised. Book as far in advance as you can and then you can make the most of every deal and opportunity that you can get. It's always a good time to start thinking about holidays. If you're ready to go away, then why not create a My Jet2 account? It's got all like the best offers and savings on there. It's brilliant. So go and check it out, have a look and see what you could save. Packing. I know it's not everyone's favourite, but I am secretly, or not so secretly now, obsessed with packing. With 5 kids as well, it is essential to pack properly. So I'm going to share with you a few of my favourite packing tips that really help me.